draft population control bill prepared by the Uttar Pradesh State Law Commission has also generated attention in neighbouring Madhya Pradesh. Many sitting ministers and BJP politicians are now asking for a similar law for MP.
A shocker from Madhya Pradesh BJP MLA Ram Lallu Vaishya, who wants a UP-like two-child norm proposal for his state too. Except, Mr. Vaishya has 9 children himself.
हमारा नारा था हम दो हमारे दो, क्या ये संभव हो सका? पर नहीं, मैं ये कहता हूँ कि समय के हिसाब से आप हिंदुओं को तो कह देंगे नसबंदी करा लो और दूसरे भाइयों को कहेंगे फ्री हो जाओ.
Earlier this month, a draft bill in Uttar Pradesh, prepared by the state's law commission, proposed multiple curbs on people with more than 2 children, including on the right to contest local polls. In neighbouring MP, it's not just BJP MLAs, but even this top minister who wants something similar.
इस देश की बहुत बड़ी समस्या जनसंख्या है. इस देश की बहुत बड़ी समस्या आबादी है और निश्चित रूप से इस यदि आबादी को इस जनसंख्या पर हम नियंत्रण करेंगे तो हमारी बहुत सारी समस्याएं समाप्त होंगी. इसलिए मेरा स्पष्ट मानना है कि निश्चित रूप से जनसंख्या नियंत्रण कानून की परिधि में आना चाहिए.
Another top MP politician, BJP MLA and former pro-term speaker Rameshwar Sharma has written to CM Shivraj Singh Chauhan on the issue. Another state minister has shockingly given the issue a communal color.
मुस्लिम्स में ये सुनिश्चित नहीं है, वो चाहते हैं 2-3 शादियां करते हैं और 10 बच्चे कर लेते हैं. इस पर कुछ लगना चाहिए.
जो लोग समझ रहे हैं वो अपने आप कंट्रोल करते हैं. इस पे कोई पाबंदी किसी के लिए नहीं है और लोग मान रहे हैं. बात यह है कि जिस नियत से ये इस कानून की बात कर रहे हैं, इस नियत से हमारा इख्तिलाफ है, हमारा विरोध है, क्योंकि इनकी नियत केवल उत्तर प्रदेश के चुनाव को टारगेट करना है.
But do MPs, BJP politicians really walk the talk on population control? The state has 227 sitting MLAs. Over 39% or 49 out of 125 BJP MLAs have more than 3 children. 14 MLAs have more than 4 children, while 3 BJP MLAs have more than 5 children. In 2000, the Congress government in the state, led by Digvijay Singh, introduced a two-child norm for government services and panchayat-level polls. But this was challenged in court and withdrawn by the BJP government in 2005.
While replying to a public interest litigation in Supreme Court last year, the central government has said that India was on the verge of achieving a replacement level of fertility rate of 2.1% through various voluntary birth control measures, and any coercion to have a certain number of children was counterproductive and will lead to demographic distortion. Still, statements made by the political dispensation in Madhya Pradesh shows that their concern was more of a political and less social. In Bhopal with camera person Rizwan Khan, Anurag Dwari for NDTV.